Good day everyone. Now I'm gonna talk about numeric data types and the other components of data type. So the numeric data type has many components, but what is actually a numeric data type? Numeric data types are numbers stored in a database columns. These data types are typically grouped by exact numeric types, values where the precision and scale need to be preserved. Coming into conclusion, what is a numeric data type? Now let's know the numeric data types, which are bit, tiny int, small int, big int, small money, decimal, numeric, float, and real. So, starting with the bit. Every integer that can be 0, 1, or null, this means bit needs to be 0, 1, or null. Tiny int allows whole numbers from 0 to 255. This means it has a range of 0 to 255 and its storage is only 1 byte. A small int allows whole numbers between negative 32,768 and 32,767. This means it only allows whole numbers between negative 32,768 till 32,767, and it has a storage of 2 bytes. A int allows whole numbers between negative 2,147,483,648 and 2,147,483,647. This means it only allows whole numbers between negative 2,147,483,648 and 2,147,483,647. And it has a storage of 4 bytes. A big int allows whole numbers between negative 9 quintillion, 223 quadrillion, 372 trillion, 36 billion, 854,775,808 and 9 quintillion, 223 quadrillion, 372 trillion, 36 billion, 854,775,807. And it has a storage of 8 bytes. Next is decimal. The P and S stands for precision and scale. So, it fixes precision and scale numbers. It only allows numbers from negative 10 caret 38 plus 1 to 10 caret 38 minus 1. The P parameter indicates the maximum total of numbers, digits that can be stored, both to the left and to the right of the decimal point. P must be a value from 1 to 38. Default is 18. The S parameter indicates the maximum numbers of digits stored to the right of the decimal point. And therefore, S must be a value from 0 to P. In default, value is 0, and it has a storage from 5 to 17 bytes. Up next is numeric precision and scale, or fixed precision and scale numbers. It only allows numbers from negative 10 caret 38 plus 1 to 10 caret 38 minus 1. The P parameter indicates the maximum total number of digits that can be stored both to the left and to the right of the decimal point. P must be the value from 1 to 38. Default is 18. The S parameter indicates the maximum number of digits stored to the right of the decimal point. S must be a value from 0 to P. Default value is 0, and it has a storage ranging from 5 to 17 bytes. Up next is small money. Small money has a monetary data from negative 214,748,36,648 to 214,748, 3,647, and it has a storage of 4 bytes. Up next is money. Money has a monetary data from negative 922, 337, 203, 685, 477, 5,808 to 922, 337, 203, 685, 477, 5,807, and it has a storage of 8 bytes. Up next is float n, floating precision number data from negative 1.79e plus 308 to 1 0.79e plus 308. The n parameter indicates whether the field should hold 4 or 8 bytes. Float 24 holds a 4-byte field and float 53 holds an 8-byte field. Default value of n is 53, and its storage has 4 or 8 bytes. Up next, but not the least, is real. Real is a floating precision number data from negative 3.40e plus 38 to 3.840e plus 38, and it has a storage of 4 bytes. And that concludes the numeric data types. Thank you for watching and listening.